Wondering how to make your AirPods louder? Let's dive into a few simple steps to enhance your listening experience. If your AirPods aren't loud enough, start by cranking up the volume on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Sometimes it's just a simple fix. Make sure your AirPods are clean because earwax and dust can clog the speakers, muting the sound. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, and tap on Audio Visual. From there, adjust the headphone accommodations to boost softer sounds. Also check Settings, then go to Music and set the EQ to Late Night for a noticeable volume increase. If Reduce Loud Sounds is on under Settings, then Sounds and Haptics, turn it off. If that doesn't cut it, reset your AirPods by putting them in the case, holding the setup button for 15 seconds, and reconnecting them. Try turning off low power mode on your iPhone as it can limit volume output. If you're using Spotify or Apple Music, make sure the app's volume settings aren't capping your sound. And if all else fails, consider getting a fresh pair. Over time, batteries and speakers degrade. But before spending cash, test them on a different device to rule out software issues.